Pilgrim bolts, the savings in terms of time and money are substantial. The Pilgrim bolt is tried, tested and specified by all the biggest power industry OEMs. And the same goes for the marine industry OEMs. Well, before we end the video, let's quickly recap the benefits. Quick and easy installation and removal. Elimination of stuck bolts and hole damage. No remachining once the bolts are installed. Critical path time saved, even on initial installations. Coupling concentricity maintained. There's true 100% fit once installed. They can be used as a direct retrofit. They're completely reusable. They are OEM approved. Outages can be planned with accuracy and confidence. And there's a massive potential for time and therefore cost savings. Well, those are the reasons for using the Pilgrim Radial Fit coupling bolt. Are there any downsides? Well, the honest answer is no. It really is a win-win situation. Pilgrim also offers a range of additional products for use directly in the marine, oil and power markets, or for use wherever there is a need for specialist bolting technology. At Pilgrim International, we're engineering the future.